I've written books about it, made videos about it, and ridiculed my whole entire life about it. But I'll say it again. Reality is not real the way you think it is. It is a simulation. It is a video game. It is a computer program. Theory really states that we are in a massively multiplayer online role-playing game. We are all gamers and existing in the game of life. When I see you and you see me, we are really just avatars. We're really somewhere in the afterlife dimension playing this game of life. Just like in a massively multiplayer online role-playing game, when you see people walking around in the World of Warcraft, in EverQuest, in Second Life, you know that it is actually a person behind a computer screen at a keyboard. You don't question that. You know that that's the case. But yet, when you walk through life and you see people walking by, you never really talk to them. Really, we are all just human avatars in this game of life. And that's really what's going on. So we are all in a massively multiplayer online role-playing game, a neurological experience, a simulated reality. Gravity. It just proves it's programmed. It's a computer program.
Gravity. That's your big evidence? Gravity?
Yeah, gravity. I mean, it always happens. It doesn't like arbitrarily happen or happen when it wants to. It's always falling. So someone had to have programmed that into the machine, because it doesn't like just stop in thin air. I jump and I fall back down. It's always happening. Who programmed that? Somebody programmed that.
You're gonna tell me that reality is a computer program because things from the sky fall to the earth. Right.
Okay, gravity, I'm telling you, gravity proves that it's a programmed video game. But you know, you don't have to believe that. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. I got a phone call. Hello? Wait, you know what? Hold on. The fact that I got a phone call just now, a wireless phone call, it just came from the sky somewhere. That proves that reality is also a video game.
You got a phone call.
Well, yeah, it's kind of amazing that I got a wireless cell phone call. I mean, do you know how cell phones work?
Not really.
Oh, but it's real normal to receive a cell phone call, yet you don't know how they work.
Just because I don't know how it works doesn't mean that it's science fiction.
Okay, that's fair, but how about this? Follow me. What if I were to get a cell phone call inside my house? Oh, I just happened to get a cell phone call inside my house. Well, I gotta call you back again. How the heck are the radio? I understand outside. Maybe there's like this magical satellite dish out there, or of course there's microwave relay stations transmitting the thing to my phone. But now I'm inside of a house, and there's walls, and that means these radio waves traveled through my walls. That's pretty unreal to me. That's not real life. That's not the reality we all believe in. Things could travel through walls. Let me try it right now. Let me see if I can travel through this door. You think I can do it? Yeah, because radio waves travel through walls. Maybe I could do it. Nope. It just doesn't happen. So thus, because radio waves, my thesis, yes, because radio waves travel through walls, reality is fake. It's not real. That's what I'm sticking by.
You're not really doing a very good job at proving your point.
Okay. Alright, so I can't travel through a door, but radio waves can. But the thing is I could travel through water if I was in a swimming pool. But I couldn't travel through a ice glacier as easy. So how is it that, you know, we both agree that water and ice are made of the same stuff? I can travel through water, but I can't travel through ice. But it's the same exact stuff.
And your point is?
Yeah, well, my point is that all things have different boiling points, freezing points, and that is another program, because ice is going to melt always at the same exact degree, and it's going to freeze always at the same degree. It always happens. So thus it's programmed. It's a computer program. And all the elements and all the molecules and compounds all follow rules. These rules were programmed by God or by the programmers, aliens, whoever. Somebody programmed our reality that we live in. Okay, this and this water is the same exact stuff.
Your argument really doesn't hold any water.
I find it very weird that I could hold this in my hand, ice. Okay, we all hold ice, but trying to hold the water, okay, I could kind of hold it, but it keeps falling through. Look how weird water is. Water is absolutely bizarre. We all drink water all the time, and we take it to be so normal. Water is not normal. I don't care what you think. If you think I'm nuts, water is bizarre, weird, mysterious, and I could drink it. It's okay to drink water, but I can't drink oil. But I could drink water, can't drink bleach. I might be able to get away with drinking Palmolive antibacterial concentrated hand soap. But, and it looks like water. It's a liquid. It's a liquid. But water, it's okay. Right out of the tap. That's fine. But drinking this might be deadly. I could do this all day and be amazed. I think I'm bewildered by my existence. That's why I make these videos. But the water. The water! Look at the water! It's so freaking weird. It comes out of my faucet. So water and ice, while they are the same thing, they have different states of matter, and they are mysterious.
You expect us to believe you? You crazy man.
Magnets have provided wonder for children and wacky adults like myself for a very long time. These look like little pieces of metal and they're attracting, right? But I take my fork and my knife or my spoon, and they're not really attracting each other. They're just falling, and there's the gravity again. And they're not attracting. Oh, but look at this. This one does. Kind of weird. So is my fork magnetic? No, my fork is metallic, and the magnet is magnetic.
I don't think you're convincing anyone of anything.
Okay, you would think this would hurt. Okay, about to cut myself. Oh, it didn't hurt. Oh, it didn't hurt. I just cut part of my body off. I sawed off part of my body. Look at my dead cells. You like my dead cells on my head and my dead cells on my fingers and my toes? If we didn't have nerves, how different would reality be? The majority of our reality is based on our neurological experience. Reality. The neurological experience.
Okay, so I'm starting to get you. Last night your dad smoked a cigar. The cigar is gone. The ashes remained.
But if you zoomed into my body, the further you go, you'll suddenly begin to see that my entire body is really just atoms rotating around each other. That I'm a human body, a solid object, but I'm really empty space.
So everything I see on the screen here is just pixels?
There's really just series of zeros and ones, off and on. Computers are binary. The human source code language, computer machine language of the human body, is DNA.
I still don't believe you, but I'll think about it. Until then, I'll read your books. What are they called again? Retreats from Life in the Afterlife Dimension. And Simulation Theory. Interesting books. Maybe these will help give me an insight.